Hello students, myself Aman Thakur. In today's video, I will discuss about the air pollution. Here is the contents of this video. In this video, I will discuss about the air pollution, how it is caused, what are the sources of air pollution, what are the effects of air pollution, and how we can control air pollution. All these topics we will discuss about air pollution in this video. Let's start. First of all, air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in air. Air pollution kills an estimated 7 million people worldwide every year. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollens, and mold spores may be supplanted as particles. The major part of air pollution in cities is ozone. When ozone forms air pollution, it also called smog. Students, many times you see smoke around yourself in the mornings. So how that are caused? That is caused by the ozone gas. The reason behind the smoke formation is ozone. The presence in or introduction into the air of a substance which are harmful or poisonous effects for humans or for all living organisms, that is air pollution. Sources of air pollution. Now I will study about the sources, how air pollution caused, what are the main sources behind it. Number one is mobile sources. What are mobile sources? For example, your trucks, buses, passenger cars and other vehicles are major contributors to air pollution. Why? Because they emit smoke forming pollutants such as nitrogen oxides and hydrocarbons. Stationary sources. Stationary source in air quality terminology is any fixed emitter of air pollutant such as fossil fuels, burning power plants, photochemical plants, food processing plants and other heavy industrial sources. All these are the stationary sources of air pollution. Then area sources such as agriculture area, cities and wood burning fireplaces. Area sources are sources of air pollution which emits less than 10 tons annually of a single hazardous air pollutant. Area sources are pollution which emit a substance or radiation from a specified area. Natural sources such as vine-blown dust, wildfires and volcanoes. All these comes under the natural source category. Then effects of air pollution. Now students, what are the effects of air pollution on our health? Let's discuss. First of all, respiratory disease. All the diseases related to respiration are caused by air pollution. Then cardiovascular damage, fatigue, headaches and anxiety, irritation of the eyes, nose and throat, damage to reproductive organs, as these pollutants act through several mechanisms that can affect numerous physiological functions including reproduction also. Harm to the liver, spleen and blood. It can also affect the nervous system damage, as air pollution may affect the nervous system through a variety of pathways that either directly damage brain structure or lead to a neurological diseases. Then control measures, how we can control the air pollution. First of all, reduce the trips you take in your cars. Why? Because it emits fuels. Lots of air pollution are caused due to the cars, buses, trucks, right? So reduce the use of automobiles. Then eliminate fireplace and wood stove use. Avoid burning leaves and other materials. Stop burning leaves and trees. Avoid using gas powered lawn and gardener equipments, because this is also the major cause of air pollution. By doing all these steps, we can control the air pollution around us. This is all about the air pollution, its control measures and its sources. Thank you.